Hello again, Gelati Dotty, everybody. This is Tim Davis coming to you guys from the Bullish Bears team. Today is June 27, 2019, and this is another recap on a recently closed trade that I placed, and I'll do a review here real quick. Again, for you guys who don't know me personally, I'm part of the Bullish Bears team, and what I like to trade personally is spreads. I can trade debit spreads and sometimes straight calls and puts. This one particular trade that I'm going to review, this one was a straight call. Saw some unusual option activity prior to putting on this position. Took a look at the options market. Saw what an unusual option activity was targeting, and saw the chart. I love the chart, what I seen, and I also pretty much piggybacked off of the move of the gold market recently. Normally, whenever gold starts to break out, normally silver will shortly there follow. So, in a nutshell, for those of you guys who don't follow us, I've been monitoring and watching gold for a couple of years now, and I saw some unusual option activity in the silver market, but the gold market was in the process of about to break out of a long-term position. But if you guys like to know more about us, just consider being a member, and you'll find out my detailed videos that I do on a weekly basis, and give you guys my synopsis or my standpoint on the different markets and the different setups. Okay, with that said, I'm just going to go over the current position that I recently closed. Drum roll, please. And this one was a 205% profit. Yes, you heard that right. Close this one out for 205% profit. Taking a look at the charts. When I first entered this position, first let's go back to that so I can show you guys. This is what I normally do a weekly video for all of our members. Um, every week I do a weekly recap, weekly update video, let members know positions that I'm currently in. If you don't see it on my screen, that means I got out of those positions. But I do a weekly video, let members know what I'm personally in, the trades that I'm in, to give them an opportunity to decide whether it's something that they like or not. Okay, so I'll leave it up to the individual member. But this one was on my video when I first opened up this trade, and this was Pan American. Pan American, I think it's silver. Pan American something silver. PAAS is a ticker. I entered a naked call option, which means I just bought straight calls on this one. They didn't expire until July the 19th. I entered this trade on June the 5th, 2019. I bought the 12 straight calls. Break-even point at expiration was 12.46 at the time when I entered this position. Total cost of the trade was 46 cents a share, or $46 per contract. So when you get straight calls and straight puts, you all know that it's unlimited profit potential. And because of the breakout move I saw about to happen in gold, because I've been tracking it for years, and if you guys follow us and become members, you'll be able to see some of my videos where I've been tracking and explaining the setup in gold, on the setup that I was seeing in gold with an ascending triangle on a long term. So follow that action. I knew that some silver and gold positions were companies or stocks were about to break out to the upside. So first target goal price on here was to see the stock price reach 1270 expiration or certain levels. And let me show you guys what the chart looked like when I first entered this position. So when I first entered this position, what I noticed is how the major moving averages were starting to converge on one another. I noticed how there was a bottom like it was put in back here back in beginning of June. This is a daily chart. Then action started to rise. It's like a little cup starting to form here. So when I started to see the unusual option activity, it was around about the 5th of June. So hence into this trade. Again, so you guys see into this trade on June the 5th. When I entered this trade, this is where price action was. You see, I got this circle here. It was around the 5th. That's what price action was at the time. Bought these 12 strike calls rode it all the way up until we hit the 200-day moving average, is where I actually bounced out of this particular trade and took profits. Not saying that it won't go higher, but when you're trading options, you gotta be able to monitor risk reward ratio and enter when you see areas of resistance about to hit and take place. I saw this. This is my first goal actually, to reach this 200-day moving average. This is the EMA, exponential moving average. Hit that target goal. We got out of this trade for 205% profit. And normally when I exit my trades, if it's not the end of the week, we just started our Twitter feed recently, but if it's not the end of the week, I'll send out a tweet. As you can see right here in the center, and this is also for members only. Right here in the center, you'll see where I say I just closed my PAAS 12 calls, and they had a July expiration for 205% profit. And you can see the timestamp here, sent this out on June 24th. 205% profit, guys. So basically, I entered that trade, and you can see, let me show you guys the exact trade. So you can see, so I entered this trade $46 per contract, or 46 cents per share, and you don't see it here shown, but it was 205% profit, and exited, sold it, so bought it for 46, sold it for $140 per contract. So that's $1.40 a share. That's a pretty huge profit. All right. So consider joining us, you guys. I mean, we do a lot here with the Bullish Bears team, and there's a lot of stuff that goes on a regular basis that you would not know unless you are part of our trade rooms or our trading group. All right. All right. Just wanted to share that with you guys. 205% profit on PAAS. Wow. All right. Until next time, Tim Davis from the Bullish Bears team signing off. Have a great day, folks.